Hi everyone, in this session we will make soft body dynamics inside Maya application. So let's get started. Now what I will go to polygon and I will go to polygon tab, and here you have a sphere. Now I will just drag a sphere and will drag this upward a little bit and go to input, and here you have the subdivision axis height. So if you just put 55 and 55, that would be okay. As we have increased its segments, you can increase it as much as you can, but make sure that your PC will not be hang, because directly affect your CPU if you increase its axis and height segments. So after that we'll go to deformation, and here you have a particular thing which is curve deformer. If I click, before I clicking I will just press 4 so that you can see it a wireframe, and if you click here you will found a new thing will form inside it. Now what I will do, I will just put R button for scale and will scale this up so that it will also blow. So now I will select this part, and what I will do, will go to edit, delete by type, history. Now what I will do, I will just select this part, will move up a little bit and will go to end dynamics, and here you have the end mesh, which is create Ncloth. Click over here. Now as you can see, a new nucleus has formed. This is the nucleus of this Ncloth. As if I play, what you will see, it's just going down and nothing happening. See, it's just going down and nothing happening. So at first I will just increase my timeline to 200. Then what I will do, I will select this and will go to attribute editor, and here you have the Ncloth shape. In Ncloth shape you will find very much detail panels. So at first we will focus on pressure. So here is the pressure. So I will just decrease its pressure. I think 433 is fine, minus 0.433. And after that what I will do, I will just play one again. So as you can see, it gets synchronized and just falling into the downwards. So I need to fall into the grid. So what I will do, I will go to nucleus, and here you have the ground plane, which is just below to gravity and wind. So we will not using gravity and wind from here, we will somehow use from our upward panel. So we'll go to ground plane and use plane. When you click over the use plane, then you have the plane frequency also. So I will just increase it little bit. I think 378 is fine, and if I click over here you will found that it's just fall to the ground. So as you know that I am making a balloon, I will press 5 for smoothen view. So I need my balloon to be start from this position. If I go here and just play, as I need that my balloon will start from this position and will blow, after that will float in the air. So what I will do, I will go to Nsolver, and here you have the initial state. So I will do set from current. So in Nsolver you just found this particular one, and here you have the set from current. If I click, as you see, we are in 67 frame. As when I click here, now it will start from the first. This is my initial state. Now what I will do, I will select this part and make sure that you will not change the pivot, let it be, and I will go to attribute editor, and here you have the Ncloth shape. And after that what I will do, I'll go to pressure tab. So here we have the pressure. Make sure that you are in first frame, and after that just click over here, set key. Okay, now I will just press 4, and will move forward, stop, right click, again set key, will move forward, and after that I will need to start blow my balloon. So I will put 3. Let's see what happens, and will set key. Let's see. Okay, now I think it will blow and will go to, but it's not going upward. So what we have to do, it's just coming back. So now what we will do, we will just select this and we'll go to field, and here you have the air. So we'll put the air here, and after that in air field you will find one more thing, is that its magnitude, and there are lots more things. So what we will do, we will just go to outliner, and here you have the outliner, and we will just select the air field, and after that here is the magnitude. So we'll increase magnitude up to 25, enter, as let's check. So it's going I think top. Okay, we have to increase the magnitude, so I will put around 45. Let's check at first. Okay, fine. So what I will do, I will select this part, set key, will put 0 and set key again. We'll move little bit, set key, and will move. Now what I will do, will just increase it 45 and set key. Okay, this would be fine, I think. Let's see. So I will click one by one. Will increase by, will move forward, will increase by, I think we need 65, and will set key. Now it's gone. As you see, it's just blow and it's gone. Okay. Now what I will do, I will just off this, and we'll go to first frame, and now we'll press 5 button and we'll go to surface, sorry, polygon, and here I have the plane. So I will make a plane, and let's make a plane because I have to add the thread also. So this would be the plane, and select this and go to channel box, and here you have the input panel. I will not increase the width, I will increase the height, and increase by, I think we need the height around 65. So now go to object mode, we'll select this strip and we'll move upward a little bit. We'll put somehow over here, and we'll go to Nmesh, create Ncloth, and make sure that your ground plane is being checked. Use ground plane. Okay, fine. We don't have to increase or decrease the plane bounciness or frequency friction, sorry. So we'll move forward. Now it will just collide with that particular balloon and will fall. And after that, what I will do, just pause over here. So I will select this and will make initial state set from current. Now I will just select this part and do one more thing. I will just select this area, right click, go to vertex, select this part, and here you have the end corner strength and here you have the transform. Click over here. Now it's stick to the ground, and what I will do next, I will select this part, right click, hold your right click, go to vertex, we'll select this area and we'll shift select this area, right click, go to vertex, and I will stick the vertex somehow from here by holding shift button. And what I will do, I will go to corner strength and component to component. So now you find the two lines which is formed here. So at first I will just select its vertex and will shift select and will right click, go to vertex and will shift select both of them and will go to end corner strength and move to component to component. Now what happens, see, and there are lots many panel, so we have to focus on a particular panel. And so here I will just open my outliner. So you have the nucleus, the cloth which is applied, and the airfield, the dynamic corner strength, and the dynamic corner strength 2 which is been stick to the balloon. So this dynamic corner strength we don't require, but this corner strength we required. So if I go here, what I am finding, let's see, I will just put 4 for examine only and will put the grid off. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's not stick to its surface, so we need to stick to its surface. And here you have the constant method, we have the weld dynamic constant attributes. So let's see, press 4. Yeah, as you can see, it's stick to its surface. Just move with it, press 5. As you can see here, it's stick to its surface. Now let's have a look. Go to first frame and you can play by yourself. If you need to tweak the value, yeah, you can do it. If you need more pressure into the Ncloth system, you can just put. I will just pause over here. Now you have the idea that how you can create the balloons and how you can just put pressure and all. So instead of having this, you can also play with any other, or even with your model also. And you can also use textures. If you want to use texture, you just go right click, assign new material, and I will just use the blend because that's a balloon. so we need shyness, as you can see here. So what I will do, I will just go to its okay, one more, I just have to apply it, assign new material, plane, and now it's applied to its surface. Now I will change the color to light blue, so much more like this, and we'll do the transparent also. Now you can see, and you can also use the background or just render this thing to have a good background into compositing software. Like this way you can also work. So hope you have enjoyed it. Let's meet to the next session.